May complain lang ako sa prices ninyo. Bakit sa branch 1 yung prices nila ay 39 pesos at sa kabila 49? Pareho lang naman ang brand ah.
Thank you for your concern, Miss. I will talk with my team first, no? And we will try to address your concern. And for the meantime, we'll just find options on how we can resolve this.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Team, we have a problem. Customers are complaining about price differences. Same item daw, pero iba-iba yung price sa ibang branches. Ano nangyayari?
Doon, delayed kasi lagi ang delivery ng sale. Paano tayo makakadeliver ng tama kung kulang ang stocks?
Excuse me, Mate. Hindi naman kasalanan ng warehouse yan. Ang problema, late nag-order yung branch mo.
Kaya po nga, nag-sale para makabawi sa loss. Pero siguro na dahil sa consumer.
Pati na ako, suppliers affected.
Sorry po, akala ko kasi nasend na yung price list sa GC. My bad.
Guys, we can't keep on blaming each other. Kasi kapag gagawin natin yan, mawawala yung tiwala ng mga customers natin. We should seek help. By that, I will be calling Ms. Casinillo from the HR. She will help us with this matter.
Alright team, let's start with understanding, not blaming. So ano ba talaga ang root cause nito?
Walang clear communication sa orders.
Laging last minute sa deliveries.
Price list not updated. Lack of coordination sa marketing promos.
Okay, so we have three issues here. The communication, the pricing, and the timing.
So, paano natin ito maayos?
Okay, let's collaborate. Everyone, give at least one solution.
So, mag-set tayo ng fix ng ordering day per week.
So, I'll post delivery schedule in a shared group chat.
We'll coordinate promos to stick to official prices. So, gagawa ako ng updated price list and send it to all branches.
Okay, so I heard all your suggestions and let's work together. Meeting adjourned.
Wow! Consistent na ang mga prices at may stock lagi. Galing nyo, Del Macchiatos!